In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset chart in Thinkorswim. If your chart looks zoomed in too far, stretched out, or shifted awkwardly on the screen, don't worry. Thinkorswim gives you a few quick ways to reset the chart and get back to a clean, readable view. We'll go through the simplest reset first, and then I'll show you how to adjust the chart settings manually if needed. To begin, open Thinkorswim Web and go to the Charts tab. From there, select the chart you want to reset. Make sure you're actively viewing the chart that's giving you trouble, since the reset actions will apply to the chart currently on screen. The fastest way to reset the chart view is to double-click anywhere on the chart background. This quickly restores the chart's view and returns the axes to their normal automatic scaling. In many cases, this is all you need. It's a useful shortcut when the chart has become distorted after zooming, dragging, or changing the display. If the chart is shifted too far to the left or right, there's another tool to fix that. Look for the double arrow icon beside the horizontal scroll bar. Click that icon and then choose Reset Manual Expansion. This brings the chart position back into a more standard layout, which is especially helpful if too much empty space has been added to the right side of the chart. If you want to restore chart settings more precisely, click the gear icon above the chart to open chart settings. Then open the time axis tab. In this section, you can reset the expansion area to your preferred value. Many traders use somewhere between 0 and 10 bars, depending on how much space they want to see to the right of current price action. If your chart feels too compressed or has too much empty room, this is the setting to adjust. Now, if the price scale looks compressed or stretched vertically, stay in chart settings and go to the price axis tab. Find the scale option and set it to auto. This tells Thinkorswim to automatically size the price axis so the chart fits naturally on the screen. It's a simple fix, but it can make a big difference in readability. Once you've made your changes, click Apply and then click OK to save everything. That's it. By using the quick double-click reset, the manual expansion reset, and the axis settings inside chart settings, you can easily bring your Thinkorswim chart back to a normal and usable view.